Biggest win in human history started as something called as delusional because someone has to believe in something before they existed. The crazy idea, the crazy startup, the crazy goal, the crazy dream. A belief so strong that it looked very disconnected from reality. But that is the exactly the point because someone has to believe something exists even before their eyes can see, even before their ears can hear. One has to be fully delusional about the future that even does not exist now. Think about it. Every invention, every company, every startup, every entrepreneur journey, people believe that it is just impossible. The difference between the people who create extraordinary lives and the people who stay average is not talent, it is deep belief. One group sees the future and starts to feel excited, and the other group starts to look for proof every single second. The proof usually comes after the belief and not before. And by the end of this video, you will literally understand why your brain needs you to believe it first before it allows you to become. Imagine having a dream so big that people usually laughed at you. They like really laughed at you and they said that, oh, it is very impossible for you because right now you do not have that connection, you do not have that, you do not have that experience, you do not have proof of, yes, I can do it. And this is where most successful people journey starts, where people often said that yes, it's going to be impossible, but they prove it anyhow because they know the potential. They are so delusional, they have so deeply rooted belief in them that even the 3D does not make any proof. They know it's gonna happen and they will achieve it. Because they are not born with certainty, they create certainty. They are someone who do not look for proof every single second. So if you want to achieve something in your life, I will say be completely delusional. So if you want social media fame, be delusional. The day you start, have the thought that it is very easy for me to get 1 million subscribers and it is very easy for me to build a beautiful community. If you want to start a business, be very delusional about it that it is very easy to get 10 crore revenue. Be very delusional about it, so fucking delusional about it that even your brain asks you, oh, is this true? That's where manifestation starts, and that is where you deeply sow the belief inside you. Because here in this journey, many people will laugh at you, many people will make you think that, oh, you cannot do it, it's not your cup of tea. But no, bro, it's your cup of tea. That's why you are doing it. Being delusional is the best thing you can do to yourself because when you are delusional, you are telling your brain again and again, oh, this is so possible, I can't do this. And what is happening? Your reticular activating system, your RAS, is filtering out everything to match your beliefs because your RAS does not care what is big thing, what is small thing. It only cares what you believe and what you assume. So if you are constantly telling yourself and saying it is very easy for me to reach 1 million, it is very easy for me to make 10 crore in my business, then your reticular activating system will filter out every single thing to match your assumption, to match your goals. So if I tell you right now that you have to look out for red car and think about red car, in 24 hours you may see red car and you may feel like, oh, why I'm seeing the red car? Because bro, the red car was already there. It was your mind that was not filtering out because your brain filters out millions of bits of information into just 40. That 40 is your assumptions, your beliefs. And if you believe that it is hard for me, then your reticular activating system will filter out that only. And if you believe that it is very easy for me, then it will filter out that because for your brain does not care what is real, what is imagination. It does not care what is big, what is short. See, every human brain is same. We all have same brains. We all have the prefrontal cortex, the reticular activating system, the hippocampus area, every single thing we all have, you, me, and everyone in this world. But how some people, why some people are so rich here and some people are so poor just because of the assumption, just because of the beliefs they have. People who manifest money quickly is because they have believed inside their mind that money is good for them and not rich people are greedy. Money is hard to earn like that. So being delusional is the pro level hack to manifest anything, and it is the best thing you can do for yourself. Why? I am the person who always overthink the best case scenarios because we from the childhood we are trained or we are programmed in a way, oh, what if this happens? What if this happens? What if this happens? We are programmed in that way, but you need to overthink your best case scenarios. If my goal is to manifest 1 lakh this month, I'm going to overthink the best case scenario and not the worst case scenario. My as I said, our brain is programmed, so my brain will pop out. Oh, but what if the 1 lakh does not arrive? As the bills will not be paid. But you need to reframe it again and again. Oh, it's done. It was so easy for me to manifest 1 lakh. It was so easy. I did not even lift a finger and it arrived. To be that level of delusional. Yes, for your brain, the best thing you can give to yourself and you can do for yourself is be fucking delusional. Because this is the best thing. How to stay delusional 24 by 7, because as humans you are trained to always see out for negative situations, see out for threat, danger, how to stay delusional and how to make your brain feel and your body feel it's safe to have, it's safe to receive. Step number 1, redirect and reframe every thought, everything that arrives in your way. So if your brain says, oh, it's not going to happen, you need to redirect it. Don't suppress the emotion. Don't try or pretend to let go of it. Redirect it or reframe it. So if your brain says it's not going to happen, reframe it. It's done. It's already mine. Now your brain will ask how it's gonna happen, how you will make 1 lakh. Then give yourself evidence journal. What does this mean? Evidence journaling is you are writing something and giving your brain proof that it is working. So if you want to manifest 1 lakh rupee this month, write I posted reels, I pitched out to the clients, I followed up them, I did my brand positioning better this month. So write things that you are doing, the actions that you are taking to get 1 lakh rupee this month. So whenever something happens and your brain tells you that it's not going to happen, open the evidence journal and reread it. Reread it as many times as possible to make your brain feel okay and safe. Make your brain feel reassured that it's going to happen. Move your body every single day. It could be working out, Pilates, movement, dancing, running, stretching, anything, because stagnant energy stores in your body, which makes you feel like something is not moving. So if you move your body, if you move your body, you will feel that your energy is flowing. Your energy, so when your energy flows, your mind feels better. So the number 2 is always move your body, even if it's just for 5 minutes. 3, look for progress and not outcomes and not big achievements. So always look for progress. So if you want to manifest 1 lakh, how to stay delusional in this? You look for progress. Oh, I posted reels. Oh, I DM'd the clients. Oh, I pitched it. Oh, I collaborated with them. Oh, I got the brand deal, and not the big achievements like, oh, I manifested 1 lakh. No, write the small progress you are making along the way. That will give your brain reassurance that yes, everything is in control, because your brain loves certainty, and if it does not get certainty, your brain will predict every single thing based on the old stories and old assumption. 99% of the things that is happening to you is just the stories that your brain is creating, and it is not real. Last, trust the silence. Do not control your life. Do not control every single outcome. Trust the silence. Silence is not something is not working. It is something is working behind the scenes that you cannot see it. So yes, trust the silence. Have the hope, have the faith, have the belief, and do not look for proof every single second. Trust the silence. Trust the uncertainty. And this is the biggest skill you can develop by trusting the unknown. So when your brain trusts the uncertainty, the unknown, is the best thing. Like yes, it is the best because your logical mind cannot even think of what beautiful your life is going to change and how beautifully your manifestation will arrive. Because as said, your brain loves certainty and it predicts every outcome you want to manifest through old stories, old assumptions. So If you want to manifest 1 lakh and in the previous years and the previous month you haven't made 1 lakh, your brain will tell, oh, you just made 10,000. How you can make 1 lakh? Bro, I can make it as easy for me. So you need to reframe, you talk to yourself like the main character energy here. Because once you trust the unknown, the uncertain, life will unfold beautifully for you. The best thing you can do to yourself is by staying delusional. And here were the few points I gave you to help you stay delusional. Be fucking delusional. Be very delusional. If you want to manifest a love, a good relationship, be delusional like you are in a K drama or something. Just be delusional. And if some negative thought arrives, redirect it, reframe it, and tell yourself again and again, you are making progress. You have did so much and you are making progress. You stay delusional, and that's how you feed your brain with beautiful thoughts, good thoughts, positivity, and that's how day by day your neuroplasticity, the new wiring starts to form, and the old belief starts. So do these steps, stay delusional and stay open, stay happy, and make sure you subscribe to the channel because I come with manifestation tips every single week. Till then, stay delusional and keep manifesting.